I wanted to go over a technique that can be used to solve a problem, even when you're not that sure of what the answer should be. For example, this is a problem where you're given some ABG results and asked to identify the patient's acid-base condition. The problem, it doesn't matter, as we're focused on the answer choices and how we can identify information about which one is correct just based on the information given in the answer choices. Here in A, we have respiratory alkalosis uncompensated. B, we have respiratory acidosis compensated. And we have C, mixed respiratory and metabolic acidosis. And then D is respiratory acidosis and uncompensated. So let's try to find commonalities. Let's try to pick out which words in here are in multiple answer choices. For example, you might say respiratory, but it's in all four of them. But let's look at alkalosis. It's only in answer choice A, whereas here in B, we have acidosis there, we have acidosis there, we have acidosis here. And so we're probably going to have the correct answer choice is going to include the word acidosis because it's used in so many of these answer choices. Now let's look at the other piece with kind of the second half of this answer, these answer choices. We have uncompensated, we have compensated. None of that's in choice C. And then in D we have uncompensated as well. So the two that are most often used are uncompensated right here. So again, we have a situation where the correct answer choice is likely to have one of those words. So the only answer choice that has kind of the majority of every different major keyword is choice D. Choice D contains acidosis and uncompensated. And so again, the best course of action is always to know the correct information to be able to solve the problem. But if you're in a bind with time, or if you're not too sure, or maybe if you're able to narrow it down and you know it's either choice B or choice D, and you're trying to look for an edge to try to get the correct answer choice, you can use this technique even if you don't 100% know all the correct information. It's not foolproof, but it is a good way to make an educated guess about a problem. And in this case, you would want to choose D.